Hello everyone. Welcome to the production site of CHM Machinery CHM-1400 cursor tracking type web high-speed sheeter machine. This equipment adopts advanced technology, AC servo motor drive. Widely used in laser paper, tobacco and wine packaging paper, watermark paper, cardboard, coated paper, craft paper, cultural paper, double adhesive paper, high gloss photo paper, gold and silver cardboard, aluminum foil paper, etc. It is a high-efficiency, high-precision, high-stability paper processing equipment. Touch-type computer interface control, easy to operate. High cutting accuracy with high-precision cutting knife. From the video, we can see that the cursor positioning is accurate, the sheeting speed is fast, the finished product cutting side is clean, and collected paper is neat. CHM is the trusted choice of the majority of paper companies. CHM Machinery will create value for you continuously and steadily.